Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. We are so very happy to have you visit us. In this two-part series, we'll delve into the Toyota RAV4, a top-rated SUV that has captured the hearts of many drivers worldwide. Here in Part 1, we'll explore the history and evolution of the RAV4, its standout features, and what makes it a formidable contender in the SUV market. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll provide in-depth insights, user reviews, and practical advice to help you make an informed decision if you're considering the Toyota RAV4 for your next ride. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more valuable automotive content. The Toyota RAV4, a top-rated SUV. The Toyota RAV4 is a top-rated compact SUV that offers exceptional performance, reliability, and versatility. With its stylish design, advanced safety features, and impressive fuel efficiency, the Toyota RAV4 stands out as a leader in its class. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or navigating through city streets, this highly rated vehicle provides a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. In this video, we will explore the key features and benefits of the Toyota RAV4, highlighting why it has earned its well-deserved reputation as an A-rated SUV. The Toyota RAV4 is a highly rated and popular SUV that has gained recognition for its exceptional performance and reliability. With its sleek design, advanced features, and versatility, it has become a top choice for many car enthusiasts. In this segment, we will take a closer look at the introduction to the Toyota RAV4, its key features, and its popularity in the market. The Toyota RAV4 was first introduced in 1994 and has since become one of the most successful compact SUVs on the market. It has undergone several generations of improvements and advancements to meet the evolving demands of drivers worldwide. The RAV4 is known for its stylish appearance, comfortable interior, and impressive fuel efficiency. Whether you're an urban commuter or an adventure-seeking traveler, the Toyota RAV4 is designed to cater to your needs. Key features of the Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 boasts a wide range of features that enhance both comfort and convenience. Here are some key features that make the RAV4 stand out from its competitors. Spacious Interior. The RAV4 offers enough legroom and headspace for driver and passengers. Whether it's a long road trip or a quick ride to the grocery store, everyone can enjoy a comfortable and enjoyable journey. Advanced safety technology. Toyota places a high value on safety, and the RAV4 is equipped with advanced safety features to provide peace of mind on the road. These include features such as pre-collision warning, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and more. Impressive performance. The RAV4 offers a smooth and responsive driving experience. With its powerful engine options and available all-wheel drive, it can handle various terrains and weather conditions with ease. Versatility. The RAV4 is designed to adapt to your lifestyle. Whether you need to transport cargo, accommodate passengers, or a combination of both, the RAV4's flexible seating and cargo space options make it a versatile choice. Infotainment and connectivity. The RAV4 comes equipped with a user-friendly infotainment system, including features like a touchscreen display, smartphone integration, Bluetooth connectivity, and a variety of entertainment options. Toyota RAV4 feats popularity in the market. The Toyota RAV4 has gained significant popularity in the market for several reasons. Its reputation for reliability, durability, and low cost of ownership has made it a favorite among consumers. Additionally, the RAV4 offers a great balance of performance, fuel efficiency, and comfort, making it appealing to a wide range of buyers. Its affordability compared to other SUVs in its class is also a contributing factor to its popularity. Furthermore, Toyota's commitment to continuous improvement and innovation ensures that each new generation of the RAV4 offers enhanced features and technologies. This consistent effort to stay ahead of the competition has helped the RAV4 maintain its strong presence in the market. In summary, the Toyota RAV4 is a well-rounded SUV delivering great performance, versatility, and advanced features. Its enduring popularity is a testament to its quality and ability to meet the needs of today's drivers. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver or an adventurous companion, the Toyota RAV4 is worth considering. Toyota RAV4 Safety Ratings. When it comes to choosing a new vehicle, safety is a top priority for many buyers. The Toyota RAV4, a popular compact SUV, has consistently received high safety ratings, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and secure vehicle. Let's explore the importance of safety ratings, the safety features of the Toyota RAV4, and the crash test ratings that contribute to its strong safety reputation. Importance of safety ratings. Safety ratings provide valuable information about a vehicle's performance in various crash tests and safety evaluations. These ratings serve as a reliable source of information for consumers, allowing them to make informed decisions when purchasing a new car. The higher the safety rating, the more confidence you can have in the vehicle's ability to protect you and your passengers in the event of an accident. With the Toyota RAV4 consistently earning top safety ratings, it has proven itself as a reliable and secure choice. Toyota RAV4 Feat-S Safety Features. The Toyota RAV4 is equipped with a wide array of advanced safety features designed to enhance driver and passenger protection. These features work together to provide a more secure driving experience. Some of the notable safety features found in the Toyota RAV4 include Toyota Safety Sense. The safety technologies includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, and dynamic radar cruise control. These advanced systems help to mitigate potential collisions and provide added peace of mind on the road. 8 airbags. The RAV4 comes equipped with a comprehensive airbag system that includes driver and front passenger airbags, front seat-mounted side airbags, front and second row roll-sensing side curtain airbags, and a driver's knee airbag. These airbags provide additional protection in the event of a collision. Blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert. This helps to detect vehicles in your blind spots and alerts the driver to potential crossing traffic when reversing, reducing the risk of accidents caused by unseen vehicles. Star Safety System. This suite of safety technologies includes enhanced vehicle stability control, traction control, anti-lock brake system, electronic brake force distribution, brake assist, and smart stop technology. Together, these systems optimize traction and stability while providing enhanced braking capabilities. Crash test ratings of the Toyota RAV4. In addition to its impressive safety features, the Toyota RAV4 has consistently earned high crash test ratings from reputable safety organizations. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, awarded the RAV4 with a 5-star overall safety rating, which reflects its excellent performance in frontal crash, side crash, and rollover tests. Similarly, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, recognized the Toyota RAV4 as a top safety pick, receiving excellent ratings in various crashworthiness categories such as moderate overlap front, side, roof strength, and head restraints and seats. These outstanding crash test ratings provide further assurance that the Toyota RAV4 is designed with safety in mind, ensuring the protection of its occupants in various collision scenarios. In summary, the Toyota RAV4's high safety ratings, extensive safety features, and excellent crash test performance make it a top contender in the compact SUV segment. With its commitment to safety, Toyota has created a vehicle that delivers peace of mind and a secure driving experience for you and your loved ones. Toyota RAV4 Feat-S Performance and Efficiency. The Toyota RAV4 is not only known for its stylish design and reliability, but it also delivers impressive performance and efficiency on the road. This segment we will delve into the engine options, fuel efficiency, and performance and handling of the Toyota RAV4. Engine options in the Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 offers a range of engine options to suit different driving preferences and needs. The standard engine is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that generates ample power and torque. With its smooth acceleration and responsive performance, this engine provides a satisfying driving experience for everyday commuting and long-distance journeys alike. For those seeking a more eco-friendly option, the Toyota RAV4 also offers a hybrid variant. The hybrid model combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor, resulting in enhanced fuel efficiency without compromising on power. This hybrid powertrain delivers a seamless transition between electric and gasoline power, providing a greener and more efficient driving experience. Fuel efficiency of the Toyota RAV4. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the Toyota RAV4 stands out in its class. The standard gasoline engine offers commendable fuel economy, allowing you to go further on fewer stops at the pump. With its advanced engineering and aerodynamic design, the RAV4 optimizes fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. If you opt for the hybrid version of the Toyota RAV4, you'll enjoy even greater fuel savings. The hybrid powertrain maximizes fuel efficiency by utilizing the electric motor during low-speed and stop-and-go situations. This results in reduced fuel consumption and lower emissions, making the Toyota RAV4 hybrid an appealing choice for eco-conscious drivers. Thank you for joining us in part 1 of our series on the Toyota RAV4, a top-rated SUV. We've explored the vehicle's history, standout features, and what makes it a compelling choice in the SUV segment. Be sure to watch Part 2, where we'll provide even more insights, user reviews, and practical tips to aid you in your decision-making process. If you find this video informative and are considering the Toyota RAV4 as your next vehicle, please support our channel by liking, commenting with your thoughts, sharing this video with others, and subscribing for more valuable automotive content. Stay tuned for the next part, where we'll continue to explore this exceptional SUV. Thank you for watching.